Hey guys, I just connected with a woman from California on astronautsonly.com.
Ooh, that's exciting. It's been a while since you've been on a date.
That's exciting and all, but you can't go on a date looking like that.
What do you mean?
Your hair looks like a bird's nest. We should 3D print a hair comb.
That would be a good idea, but we don't have any 3D printer filament.
Good thing we have our new 3D printer filament extruder that recycles our old prints into new filament.
Our extruder uses a low RPM, high torque motor to spin an auger bit, pushing plastic through a band heater and out a metal nozzle.
In the ISS, there are a limited amount of materials available. Our extruder recycles plastic into filament that has endless possibilities.
Since this is operating in a zero-gravity environment, a fan is placed above the funnel to push the plastic down into the metal pipe for extruding.
Our program controls the motor and heater based on our readings from the temperature sensor. When the temperature is too cold, a blue light will show and the heater will stay on. When it's at the right temperature, the light will be green and the motor will turn on. And when it's too hot, the heater will turn off with the light displaying red.
The nozzle extrudes 1/16 inch PLA filament. We recommend the use of PLA in space due to its non-toxic composition.
All done. I am ready for my date. Hey, what's up?
Your hair looks really good. Much better than the photos. So how's your day?
It's been great.
It's good to hear.